Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make up a ghost face easily. First, let's establish that eerie pallor. You'll want to apply a generous, even layer of white cream makeup all over your face and neck. Think of it as your canvas. Make sure to blend it well into your hairline and down your neck for a truly seamless, ghostly effect. This foundational step is crucial for achieving that classic, unsettling look. Now, let's give your ghost some depth and a truly haunting gaze. Take a black or very dark gray eyeshadow and apply it generously around your eyes, creating deep, sunken circles. Blend this shadow outwards and slightly downwards to enhance that gaunt, hollowed-out look. Next, use the same dark shade to contour under your cheekbones and along your temples, emphasizing the skeletal structure of your face. Moving on to the mouth, we want to create a truly unsettling, gaunt expression. Extend that dark contour from your cheekbones down towards your jawline, further emphasizing a skeletal structure. Then, with black cream makeup or eyeliner, draw a thin, elongated mouth line. You can curve the ends slightly downwards for a more grimacing effect. Adding a few subtle vertical lines from the mouth corners can enhance the illusion of a stretched, hollow mouth. To complete your ghostly transformation and ensure it lasts, a few final touches are essential. Lightly dust your entire face with a translucent setting powder. This will help prevent your cream makeup from smudging or creasing throughout the night. For added texture, you might consider drawing a few thin, dark lines on your forehead or chin. Finally, take a moment to ensure all your blending is smooth, creating a truly professional and convincingly eerie ghost appearance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.